Lovelies, it's Erica with Theebeautybuff and welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy a channel full of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then please consider subscribing below. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. Give this video a thumbs up and then comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed it or not. On this channel, we just like to relax and let loose and get away from the everyday grind. So if you will with me, take in a good deep breath, exhale, and let's get to this video. On today's video, I'm just going to be doing this natural makeup look. I just felt like playing in makeup today, playing dress up. I did put on a wig. Normally my hair is short, but it's fall now. It's getting a little cooler, so I can't do the whole wet it every morning and wash and go type look. So I will be wearing more wigs, more protective styles. On my previous videos, I had the ponytail in. So I will be doing various hairstyles. Sometimes I may go back to my short hair, but it just depends. And I really want some braids right now, but I haven't found anyone yet who I would like to do it, or like a style that I'm particularly fond of right this minute. So, but who knows? So as I mentioned, today's video is just going to be showing you how I got this natural makeup look. I will be going through the products with you that I used. I did use the same blush for, I did use the same product for my blush and for my eye look, because this is like a simple, easy, natural look. I didn't want to go through and like go into eyeshadow palette and use a bunch of different colors. So for those people who don't have a lot of makeup, you can go in and use several products for several different things. You can use a concealer for foundation, you can use a blush for eyeshadow, different things like that. Just make your collection work for you. Makeup is an art and we express ourselves in various different ways, so however you express yourself, then that's what you do. Alright lovely, so I'm going to do a quick natural beat. It shouldn't take too long, and I'm just going to walk you through some of the products that I'm going to use. I'm going to start off color correcting, and I'm just going to use the Charlotte Tilbury color corrector in the color 3. I just color correct to kind of cancel out the gray areas around my mouth and up under my eyes. And you only need like a thin layer. Color correcting is good for anyone who has like hyperpigmentation. And those are pretty much the only areas I'm going to color correct. I'm going to quickly do my brows and then I'll come back and finish my face. Alright, so for my brows, I went in with the Precisely My Brow by Benefit, and it's in the color 4. And then I used the Anastasia Ebony Brow Powder Duo just to brush through my brows and make them look kind of more natural. And then I just cleaned them up underneath with the Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer, and this is in the color Sand. So now I'm going to go in and conceal around my eyes, and it's just with that same concealer, Sand, by Born This Way. And I'm just using this concealer as my primer also for my eyeshadow, and it just covers the veins that are in my eyes at the top and gives the eyeshadow something to stick to. So that's that, and then I'm just going to go in with my foundation, and I'm going to use the Born This Way Matte 24 Hours, and it's in the color Praline. And I'm just taking it down my neck so there won't be any demarcation lines. And I think that looks pretty good. I'm just gonna do one pump because I said I'm going for a more natural look. I am gonna put a little bit more concealer under my eyes. And I'm gonna let that sit there for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in and do a little bit of shadow, and I'm actually gonna use a blush from e.l.f. and it is in Always Spicy. This is the same blush I'm going to use. I'm just going to brush this in the crease of my eyes because this is just more like a quick natural eye look. So there's the blush for my eyeshadow. I'm just going to finish blending in this concealer under my eye. So now I'm going to go in and set that concealer under my eyes. I'm just going to be using the Besame Translucent Brightening Vanilla Powder. I like this powder because it's really light and airy. It doesn't make my under eyes look crepey. And then I just use a brush to put it on, just to brush a little bit under there. I don't ever bake under my eyes because it dries it out, and I don't like that look. Now I'm just gonna go in over my foundation with this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. It's in 3, and I'm just setting my foundation. I'm not using much, I'm just brushing a little bit over my face just so I don't get too oily. I'm just going to bronze up my face a little bit just to put some dimension back in, so it won't look so flat. Just a little, because I still want this to be kind of natural. Well, not kind of natural, but look natural. And then I'm just going to go in lightly with some blush. This blush is really pigmented, so I'm just going to take it little by little and build it up. And then I'm going to even go over it some more with powder, just because it still looks too pigmented for me right now. For this look anyway, I want something more natural, so I don't want like a lot of blush on my cheeks. So that looks better. Now I'm just gonna curl my lashes and put on some mascara. I'm using a sample of the Fenty Beauty mascara. I've never tried it. So that's one eye with the mascara applied. And that's both eyes with the mascara. I am gonna apply lashes. I use the Kiss eyelash adhesive. For some reason, something in the duo makes my eyes water. Even like the latex free one, I've tried like all of them, even the black one, and it still makes my eyes water. So I'm not sure what is in it that doesn't agree with my eyes, but this one works better for me. Gonna brush a little bit more of this blush across my eyelids. just to make the color pop a little bit more. And now I'm going to apply some mascara to my lower lashes. I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighter. And for the highlighter, I'm just using this Hourglass, and it is the Ambient Lighting palette. It has dim light, incandescent light, and radiant light, and I just mix all three of them. This Hourglass highlighter is more of a natural highlighter, so that's why I went with this one. And for my lips, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Deep. And as you can see, it looks kind of like the color of my lips. And I just fill my lips in with the liner. And then I'm going to go in with one of the new glosses by Fenty, and it is in Cake Shape on top of the liner. It gives it a little shine. And that's the lip. And then I'm just going to be using this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray to set my face. So comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed the video or not. Let me know if you like natural makeup, if you like simple eye looks, if you've ever used a blush for your eyeshadow. So I hope you enjoy the look that I share with you. It's just like a simple fall look, something you can throw on when you just out running errands or when you have somewhere to go, when you have to get out the house quickly. Then this is just one of those looks that you can try. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And then as always, thank you for spending a part of your day with me, and I hope to see you in my next video.